Hey there, I'm Judy Croon and welcome to one of my latest comedy rants. This one's called The Toilet Paper Olympics. You ever go to someone's house and the toilet paper roll is nowhere near the toilet? Like why? Why? There's a perfectly good metal bar right beside me, but apparently that's too basic. No, they had to go to Restoration Hardware and get the toilet paper pedestal of luxury. It's always sitting 10 miles away like a piece of minimalistic art. I'm in the toilet feeling like I'm on a desert island. Hello, anyone? I need supplies here. And then you have to do that little penguin shuffle with your pants around your ankles, hopping across the bathroom like a wounded flamingo. You're praying you don't wipe out because that's how you go viral. Not for comedy, no, but being the idiot who crashed into the marble vanity at a dinner party with your butt out. At some houses, the toilet paper isn't even in the bathroom. You gotta hop down the hall through the dinner party, guests are shipping Chardonnay like, oh look, Judy's doing performance art again. You finally find the host upstairs like, hi, sorry to interrupt your soiree. Do you have your toilet paper in a secret vault somewhere? And public washrooms aren't any better because there you don't get toilet paper, you get a piece of tracing paper that comes out one sheet at a time. It's like rolling paper for giants. I'm like, am I using this or am I supposed to write a poem on it? Or you get the other version, the brand new industrial roll, where the paper is glued down like Fort Knox. You keep scratching at it, tearing off one microscopic piece at a time, like confetti strips everywhere. Now I'm doing a craft show. By the end of it, you've broken into a sweat, you're emotionally drained, and you're like, you know what, next time, BYOTP. This is self-care. Until next time, I'm Judy Croon. Laugh long and prosper.